don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Chapter 123. Inspired air, alveolar air, and expired air. Inspired air. Definition. Inspired air is the atmospheric air, which is inhaled during inspiration. Composition. Composition of inspired air is given in Table 123.1. Alveolar air. Definition. Alveolar air is the air present in alveoli of lungs. Its composition is given in Table 123.1. Alveolar air vs. inspired air. Alveolar air is different from inspired air in four ways. Alveolar air is partially replaced by the atmospheric air during each breath. Oxygen diffuses from the alveolar air into pulmonary capillaries constantly. Carbon dioxide diffuses from pulmonary blood into alveolar air constantly. Dry atmospheric air is humidified, while passing through respiratory passage before entering the alveoli, Table 123.1. Composition. Composition of alveolar air is given in Table 123.1. Renewal. Alveolar air is constantly renewed. Rate of renewal is slow during normal breathing. During each breath, out of 500 ml of tidal volume only 350 ml of air enters the alveoli and the remaining quantity of 150 ml, 30%, becomes dead space air. Hence, the amount of alveolar air replaced by new atmospheric air with each breath is only about 70% of the total alveolar air. Thus, alveolar air equals 35/500 times 100 equals 70%. Slow renewal of alveolar air is responsible for prevention of sudden changes in concentration of gases in the blood. Method of collection. Alveolar air is collected by using Haldane-Priestley tube. This tube consists of a canvas rubber tube, which is 1 m long and having a diameter of 2.5 centimeters. It is opened on both ends. A mouthpiece is fitted at one end of the tube. Near the mouthpiece, there is a side tube, which is fixed with a sampling tube. Mouthpiece and the side tube are interconnected by means of a three-way cock. By keeping the mouthpiece in the mouth, the subject makes a forceful expiration through the mouthpiece. Alveolar air is expired at the end of forced expiration. So, by using the three-way cock, the last portion of expired air, alveolar air, is collected in the sampling tube. Expired air. Definition. Expired air is the amount of air that is exhaled during expiration. It is a combination of dead space air and alveolar air. Composition. Concentration of gases in expired air is somewhere between inspired air and alveolar air. Composition of expired air is given in Table 123.1 along with composition of inspired air and alveolar air. Method of collection. Expired air is collected by using Douglas bag.